What's up, everyone? I'm Wes Parrish. I am Westside Diecast and Models, and today we are going to check out all these oldie cars. It's called the Oldies Car Show. They're old cars, so we're going to check that out. We're going to check out some of these buildings and see what all is going on up down the road here. Ought to be a lot of fun, so let's get started. We'll go down here on this end of the block like we're coming into the car show. Alright, here we go. As we're coming in, this is what you would see. I don't knock any cars over. There's a lot going on, so we got a lot to check out. Look at all the cars over here. Yep, there's a lot of them too to check out. And then once you get over here, then you gotta come over here and check out all these trucks. It ain't just a car show. Alright, let's go up here and check out some drone. You know, it's always some good footage. We'll start down here. And we'll move right up the block. Everybody came out to this car show just about. I even see Toretto and Brian over there. Looks like they're bringing some of their friends. As you see, their cars lined up right there. Alright, let's start right here. As far as the buildings go, what you're looking at there is off of Shameless. If you guys ever watched that, they serve up some good food in there. I believe it's called Patty's Place. Right there in the corner. Alright, let's move on down to your right. Let me see if I'm in the right spot. Yeah. That right there's off of Shameless too. That's that bar that they all be going to. Man, I should have brought my glasses out here. Can't even see anything. Alright, let's move on here. Mexican Grill, Jose's. That's a great place. My cousin used to perform there. Actually, he still might. Move over here. The casino. I don't know where 007's at, but... And of course, Ray's Music Exchange. You know, when the lights come on, you'll see the Blues Brothers in there kicking it. Famous Dave's. Right there. My homeboy Joe and me ate there once. Talk about a phenomenal food. And of course, if you guys ever seen 90210, that's Beverly Hills 90210, you'll see the Peach Pit. And they all hanging out in front of the Peach Pit watching the car show. And then you come down here on the corner here and Wilcox and Son, my girl's uncle. Turn the lights on and you'll see them in there too. You come down the road here. Let's see what's over on this side. Let me do this. This might be a little bit better. Come around this way around the block. I'm sure you guys have seen once before. I had Shady's Records right there. Let's see if I'm in the right spot. Let me go around the table, or at least around the block. There we go. Well, there we are. Shady Records. You know, M's up in there. Then you come around this side. Cobra Kai. Yep. Yeah. Alright. Come back around this way. And look at this side of the block. The Ohio Club. Had a couple other homeboys and a girl and me were up in there. That's a gangster place. You guys ever want to check it out? It's in Hot Springs, Arkansas. Alright. Check out these trucks. And the buildings behind it. All you see, everybody's just making the best of this car show here. Going out through here and check this out. And there goes Stanford and Son right there. And Cheers right beside of it. Sharky's, that's another one. I think that used to be California Dreams. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, but it used to play on Saturday morning. It's a Saved by the Bell wannabe. Come over here on this side of the block, you see Death Row Records right there. And of course, you got your superheroes up there chilling, I guess. Yep. Alright, come over here and check out these cars from the back side before I'll flip around the block. Show you the front side. A lot of nice old cars here. These guys know how to do a car show. And it's the first time I've showed everyone my old cars. I have so many. Even a popo getting in on their old classic cars. Now this is a contest of seeing who had the nicest looking car. So I'm going to make you guys a part of this, and the feedback I get from you guys to figure out which one was the nicest car will win the contest. That's how it's going to be. So you guys make the call. Let me know what you think. And that's how it'll be. Alright, let's go around the other side of the block. Now we'll be able to check it out from this point of view. Alright. Check out them cars. Alright, hold on. Okay, here we go. Boy, there's a lot of nice ones. So you guys seeing this, hopefully you guys can check out these cars and let me know what you think. That's the contest. Alright, we'll go up the road here. Let me get under. There we go. Here we are, back again. So let's do a drone point of view. Back up off this block. Look at all them cars. Yeah, buddy. What's going on right here? I think a lot of these cars are Auto World. I think it's Auto World. Might have there's different ones in here, but you got Dub City in here also. Go around this side, I guess. Yep. Come down the block this way. That's where you run into Cobra Kai. Go back up the block. Alright, bud. Hope you guys enjoyed. Now it's time for my son to come out here and play on this. I have to put some of these cars up so he doesn't destroy them. But it's all good, man. We all have fun. This is a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It was fun for me too. Until next time.